Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get rid of stickers in your yard. We'll explore various environmentally friendly ways that you may use to eliminate these nuisances. So stick around for that. Pull out small stickers by hand. Hand pulling small patches of stickers prevents spreading. You may get burrs while doing this barehanded, so make sure you're wearing gardening gloves. The burr weeds have small segmented leaves with spotted stems. Pinch the stem at the base between your fingers and carefully pull it out of the soil. Dispose of the stickers in a garbage bag to prevent further spread. Rake your yard. Raking your yard breaks off the stickers from the plant. When you find them in your yard, drag a rake on the leaves, and loose burrs will fall off the plants. Collect the burrs and toss them in a trash bag. Disposing them in a compost pile will make them grow again since the seeds may still be viable. Spraying vinegar on the stickers. Vinegar is a suitable alternative if you don't have a chemical herbicide. To use vinegar on stickers, 1. Fill your spray bottle with white vinegar. 2. Set your spray bottle's nozzle to a steady stream. Don't use mist. 3. Find the stickers in your yard and spray them with the vinegar. And lastly, reapply the vinegar daily until all the stickers are gone. Using baking soda on the stickers. Baking soda will dehydrate the weeds and kill them. To use this, 1. Sprinkle the baking soda around the roots and at the top of the stickers. 2. Water the soil immediately to soak it in. And 3. Let the roots absorb it. Mow your lawn. Mowing your lawn removes weeds with sharp stickers. Attach your lawnmower with a mower bag to trap all the clippings. Ensure you go over the most affected area. Drop the lawn clippings in a landfill to prevent the sticker seeds from spreading and growing on your lawn. Burn the sticker patches. Burning small stickers kills the weed roots and prevents them from growing back. Use the following procedure. 1. Wet the grass with water around the patches to prevent it from burning. 2. Wear your gloves and safety glasses. 3. Fill your propane hand torch. 4. Light the torch and burn the stickers to the roots. 5. Extinguish the fire after you finish with a hose. That's it! Constantly fertilize your lawn to provide the soil with nutrients, making it healthier and preventing stickers from growing back. Do you have any questions or comments? Drop them below and share this video. Till next time.